Hello everyone, welcome to Harshi class. Today I am going to explain you exercise 1.2 question number 1 to 6 sums. 7 to 12 sums we will do in the next part. So first sum, a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Here data of the exhibition was given, that is completely 4 days data was given here. We will write the statements according to that. The first statement will be number of tickets sold on the first day, that is 1094, and second statement number of tickets sold on the second day, that is equals to 1812. After that, number of tickets sold on third day is equal to 2050. The number of tickets sold on final day, fourth day, it will be 2751. In this way, first we will write the statements. After that, find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Total number of tickets. For that, what we will do? We will do addition. Whenever there is total or altogether, the type of words comes in the story sum, that means we are going to do addition. So, for adding these numbers, arrange them according to their places. 1094, 1812, 2050, 2751. What we are doing? We are doing addition. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 9 plus 1 10, 10 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. 0 will come here and 2 on the top of the next column. 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 7 17, 7 and 1 will come here. 1 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7. Total 7,707 tickets were sold on that exhibition. What we did? Total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days is equals to, we added the given 4 numbers, 1094 plus 1812 plus 2050 plus 2751. That is equal to how much? 7707. Total 7,707 tickets are sold in that exhibition. Now write the final statement. Therefore, 7,707 tickets were sold. Tickets were sold on all the 4 days of exhibition. On all the 4 days. Next. Second sum. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Here Shekhar has a target that he wants to complete 10,000 runs. Till now he completed 6,980. So how many more runs does he need? How many more runs does he need to complete 10,000? For this, here we are comparing. We are comparing so that we will get to know the difference between 10,000 and 6,980. For this, what we will do? We will do subtraction. First, write the statements. Runs to be achieved by Shekhar is equal to 10,000. Runs scored by him. Already he completed 6,980 runs. Runs required. Required runs we will get by doing subtraction. From which 10,000 minus 6,980, we will get the required runs. Do that subtraction here. 10,000, 6,980. We are subtracting it. 0 minus 0, it will be 0. 0 minus 8. Subtracting 8 from 0 is not possible. So what we will do? We will start borrowing. But on the next place also there is 0. Here also 0. Then what we will do? We will borrow from this 1. We will borrow from this 1. Then it will become 0 and it will become 9. 9 and this number will become 10. So now 10 minus 8 is equals to 2. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 6, it will be 3. How many runs he need to complete? 10,000. 3,020 more runs he need to complete the 10,000 score. Runs required here 3,020. And write the final statement. Therefore, you can write therefore he needs 3,020 more runs. How many runs does he need? He needs 3,020 more runs to complete his goal, to achieve his goal. Third sum. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? In this election, the successful candidate got 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? That means they want the difference between the successful candidate and the nearest rival. So, let's start writing the statements. Solution. Number of votes secured by the successful candidate, that is 5,77,500. After that, number of votes secured by his nearest rival, that is 3,48,700. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? For that, we will do subtraction. Margin of votes to win the election, that is equal to 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700. Do the subtraction now. Five, 7, 7, 5, 0, 0. 3, 4, 8, 7, 0, 0. We are doing subtraction here. 0 minus 0, 0. Again 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 7 is not possible. So what we will do? We will borrow from the next number. Then it will become 6 and here 5 will become 15. 15 minus 7, 8. 6 minus 8. Subtracting 8 from 6 is not possible. So again we need to borrow from the next number. Then it will become 6 and it will become 16 now. 16 minus 8, 8. 6 minus 4, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. How to read this number? 2,28,800. 2,28,800 margin of votes are there in that election. The successful candidate won with 2,28,800 more votes. That is 2,28,800. Now write the final statement. Here the final statement is, therefore, the successful candidate owned by A, margin of 2,28,800 votes. Next, fourth sum. Let's see the fourth sum. Kirti bookstore sold books worth 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth 4,768 rupees in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the greater and by how much? There are two questions in this. First one, how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? For finding the total amount, we will do addition. And in the second question, in which week was the sale greater? By comparing these two numbers, we will get to know that 4 lakh is greater. So, there was more sale in the second week. By how much? Exact number. To find the exact number of the difference between these two, we will do subtraction. Let's write start writing the statements here. Solution: books sold in first week of June 2,85,891 and books sold in the second week of June 4,768. Total books sold in the 2 weeks together. For that we need to do addition. Add 2,85,891 with 4,768. Write the numbers here. Arrange them in an order. Then do the addition. 4,768. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So 5 will come at the bottom and 1 on the top of 8. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. Again 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. How to read this number? 6,86,659. That is total books sold in the 2 weeks altogether or worth of 6,86,659. Now start solving the next part of the sum, that is in which week was the sale greater. Simply by comparing these two numbers we will get to know that the second week sale was greater than the first week. So write that. Therefore, the sale for second week is greater than that of first week. By how much? By how much? For finding this difference, what we will do? We will do subtraction. Write the statements for this. Books sold in the second week was a worth of 4,768. Next statement, books sold in the first week. While doing the subtraction, always the bigger number will come at the top. For finding the difference between these two numbers, we are going to do subtraction. Now do the subtraction. 8 minus 1, 7. 6 minus 9 is not possible. So what we will do? We will borrow from 7. Then 7 will become 6 and this 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 9 is equals to 7. 6 minus 8. Again, it is not possible to subtract 8 from 6. Then what we will do? We will borrow from the next number. But here the next numbers are 0. So what we will do? We will start borrowing from the 4. Then 4 becomes 3. then this 0 becomes 9 and this 0 becomes 9. This 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is equals to 8. 9 minus 5 4. 9 minus 8 1. 3 minus 2 1. That is 1,14,877. Therefore, 1,14,877 rupees worth more books were sold in the second week of June. In the second week of June. Now next sum, fifth one. Fifth question, find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 62743 each only once. In the given question, there are 5 digits 62743 are there. We are going to use these digits only once, that means no repetition. By using these digits, make the greatest 5-digit number and the least 5-digit number. After that, find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit numbers. Let's start solving the sum. Solution. Given digits are 62743. Greatest number. How to make the greatest number? For that, we will write the given digits from greatest to the least. 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. That is, the greatest 5-digit number here is 76,432. And the least number, for that we will write the given digits from the least to the greatest. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. That is 23,467. Now the difference. Find the difference between these two numbers. 76,432 minus 23,467. Write those numbers here and do the subtraction. 7, 6, 4, 3, 2 minus 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 2 minus 7 is not possible. So, we will borrow from 3. Then 3 becomes 2 and this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is equals to 5. Again 2 minus 6 is not possible, so borrow from 4. Then it will become 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 3 minus 4 is also not possible, so borrow from 6. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 4, 9. 5 minus 3 is equals to 7 minus 2, 5. That is 52,965. Therefore, write the final statement. Therefore, the difference is 52,965. Sixth sum, a machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? For that, write the statements. Number of screws manufactured in a day, 2,825. Now, number of screws manufactured in month of January. We know that January month has 31 days. So, multiply 2,825 with 31. So that you will get to know the total number of screws produced in the month of January. 2825 multiplied with 31 When you multiply the digits with 1, you will get the digit itself. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 8s are 8, 1 2s are 2. Now we are going to multiply with the tens place digit. So what we will do, we will put cross or 0 in the ones place. 3 5s are 15, 5, 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 3 8s are 24, 4 and 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Now add these numbers. 5, 7, 8 plus 7, 15. So 1 will come here. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 8. That is 87,575. 87,575 screws are manufactured in the month of January. The machine produced 87,575 screws in the month of January. How many? 87,575 screws. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.